Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To wake up the screen, simply press the crown button. After you wake up the screen on the watch, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called display and brightness and select it. And here, make sure that the auto brightness is disabled. By default, it could be enabled, so disable the auto brightness and then tap on brightness. And here we can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider, like this. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Also, I forgot to mention, but you can also use the crown, basically rotate it to adjust the brightness. And once you press the crown button, and it's weird, you should be able to go back, but if it's not working, you can also swipe right to go back to settings, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face like this. Okay, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.